How to watch someone Instagram story without them knowing. So in this video, I'll show you how to view someone Instagram story secretly without them knowing. All you have to do now, after you open your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, go and search for the person that you want to view his Instagram story without them knowing. So for example, I'll tap on this search button. As you can see now, if I tap on this search icon at the bottom, so I'll just tap on this search and go ahead and search for the person that I want to view his Instagram story without them knowing. So let's say I want to view this person Instagram. So if I tap on his Instagram story like this, so he can be able to see me that I view his Instagram story. But all I have to do now, tap on this three dot beside his profile and tap on this copy profile. As you can see now, copy profile URL. So after you copy his profile URL, all you have to do now, close the Instagram and go to your browser. After you open your browser, all you have to do now, come to this website which says anonym.com. So I will leave the link of the website for you in the description and paste in the link in this session. So I'll now just paste the link of the person profile in this session and tap on this search button. So if you scroll now to down, as you can see now here is the person profile. So scroll to down, as you can see now here is all his story that he posted. Now I can be able to view all the story without him knowing. So as you can see, here is the video. So if you want to view the video, you can still tap on the video, it will play for you on this browser, and you can be able to download the story as well. That's it guys, on how to watch someone Instagram story without them knowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.